Hello friends, my name is Chetan Athani and we are into second part of our video series about interactive bar charts in D3JS. So this video series is divided into three parts. In first part we discussed about creating a simple bar chart. In second part we will be discussing about including some events like tooltip. If I hover my mouse over any bar, it will show me a tooltip which will show a small description about bar, and second event will be expanding of this bar on mouse hover or mouse enter events, and then when mouse will leave these bars will come into normal form, normal shape. So scenario we have taken here is we are showing sales of a specific product segregated by regions. We have taken three regions into account. First one is USA, second one is India, and third one is Canada. As you can see here, sale in USA region is 1219, sale in India region is 534, and sale in Canada region is 1376. Another addition to this scenario is this product has different models, and this sale can further be segregated into sale of different model in different regions. So that part will come into account into third video when we'll learn about drill down of these charts. So let's get started for part second. So first one is including a tooltip event. So friends, before starting this video, if you haven't watched first part of this video, please go and watch part first, in which we have explained how to create a basic chart, and we have also shared code in description of part first of this video series. So we'll directly jump into code which we have already written in first part. So now here we have to include tooltip, and as you can see we have code written for creating bars here. So in that bar we have to insert a title, and this title will be the tooltip for the bars. So here you can see I will insert code for this title. This is bar already created, and I have inserted this tooltip. I have already explained variables and all the things in part first, so no need to explain here. So here title will show the description of the bar. So let's save this and let's refresh our page, and as you can see this small tooltip is coming. So here friends, here tooltip for USA is USA and number of sales for this particular product in region USA, and same way for India and same way for. So that was pretty simple. Now let's try to create mouse hover event in which we will expand this bar, which will notify user or which will show user that mouse is hovered into that bar, and you can communicate to user that this chart is interactive and he can do something else on this. So friends, here you can see original height is height without an event will be height minus this value, right? I'm not going into variables because that is already discussed into part first of this video. So let's say this is any value, so height is assigned as height minus this value, right? So what we have to do is for effect which will show expansion of a bar, we have to increase heights and we have to increase width. So let's go to height first. So what we have to do is we have to increase height of a bar, and in mouse enter we will increase height of a bar, and in mouse leave we will revert it to original form, original shape. So let's do that. So here's my event. I'll write it here where I have defined rectangles and x and y attribute. After this I'll define mouse enter and mouse leave event. In mouse enter event I am defining some height which is greater than normal height of a bar, and I am reverting that into original value in mouse leave event, and I am keeping the duration of 200 milliseconds for this event. So let's see how our chart behaves. Let's save it and let's refresh the page. So here you can see chart is expanding but it is going downwards, and if I leave it will come back into original form. That is okay, but thing is it is going downwards. That is because in D3JS our axis 00 is on top left corner and y axis increases when we move downwards. So if I increase height will increase towards downwards. So what we have to do is we have to decrease value of y. by same amount in which we have increased height of a bar. So let's do that. So here you can see original value of y is this value minus 15. So we have to increase it by 5. So it will be, we have to decrease it by 5. So it was our original value of y. So we have to decrease it with 5. And in mouse leave, we have to revert it to original form. So in mouse leave will be this one. So it is same as original value. Okay. So now let's refresh our chart. So here we are. So now it is increasing. It is giving us effect as it is increasing in upper side. So that's okay for us. Let's do same thing for width also. First we'll increase width and then we will manage position of x. So here we have done same thing which we have done for height. We have increased width by 10 and then we have shifted our bar to 5 pixel on left. So it will show effect of expansion on both side, right? And let's revert it in mouse leave event. Let's save it and let's see how our chart looks like now. So here you can see it is expanding on both side in x-axis and upper side in y-axis, and it is giving us tooltip as well. So we are done for this video. So friends, I'll be publishing the code of this chart in Git. I'll be publishing location of the code in description section of the video. As all the code is in client side, there is no server side code. So we'll be publishing only HTML part. Here we are using Visual Studio C# with MVC framework, but as such everything was on client side, so server side technology is not significant. So developers of any technology can make use of this code. They can simply take HTML and include in their project. Here we have taken data on client side, so in real time scenario they have to get data from server side. So that's all for this video. We'll be publishing third part of this video series, which will be about data drill down in bar charts. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like content of this video, please hit like button. If you have any query, questions or suggestions, please leave comments on comment section. We will be replying on every comment. So goodbye for now and cheers.